Hi friends, it's Mia here. Welcome back to Let's Draw and Learn. Today we're drawing K-pop Demon Hunters. In this video, it's all about music power and brave team vibes. Grab your crayons and paper, let's draw together. Are you ready? Let's go! And if you love drawing and smart stories, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video. While we draw, let me tell you about our heroes. The K-pop Demon Hunters use music and dance to chase away trouble. Huntrix is the leader. She's super kind, super brave, and she mixes beats that shine like stars. The Saja Boys are her best friends and dance crew. They move together like one happy heartbeat. Here's a fun lesson: teamwork. Everyone has a job. Some sing the melody, some keep the beat, some make big moves. When everyone works together, the whole song feels strong. And here's another trick you can use any day: rhythm breathing. Count 1, 2, 3, 4 as you breathe in. Count 1, 2, 3, 4 as you breathe out. It's like a tiny song in your body that helps calm big feelings. Try it with me. Nice and easy. Good job. Okay, mini story time. Picture this. Huntrix and the Saja Boys are on a bright stage. The crowd is cheering. But guess what happens when a sneaky shadow sneak slips in? It tries to steal the fun. The music gets quiet, the lights blink. Uh-oh. Huntrix smiles and taps her mic. She whispers, "We've got this." The Saja Boys make a cool shape and the beat begins. Boom, boom, clap. The music grows. The crowd hums along. The shadow sneak gets smaller and smaller, and poof! It turns into a shy little glow bug that bops to the beat. What do you think Huntrix would do next? Sing a soft solo or blast a big chorus? What do you think happened next? If you think that glow bug learned the dance, give this video a big like. Now, some fun facts while we keep drawing and coloring together. And keep drawing and coloring with me. The final image will wow you. Fun fact 1. K-pop means Korean pop. It's music from South Korea. It's full of cool beats, bright style, and amazing dance moves. Fun fact 2. Dancers count in 8s. Try it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do it again. That's 16. Many K-pop dances use these 8 counts to stay in sync. Fact 3. Saja means lion in Korean, so the Saja Boys move with lion courage, strong, kind, and brave. Can you show me your brave face? Nice! But that's not all. Here's a little language snack. In Korean, you can say "annyeong" to say hi. Want to try it? Annyeong. And you can say "gomawo" to say thanks. Go-ma-wo. Great job! Fun fact 4. Music can help your brain. When you listen to a steady beat, it can help you focus, like when you tidy toys or zip up your backpack. Try a slow beat when you need to calm down and a happy beat when you need energy. Fact 5. Teams work best with kindness. Huntrix lifts her friends up. The Saja Boys cheer for each other. If someone makes a mistake, the team helps. That's a big lesson. We don't have to be perfect. We practice, we smile, we try again. But wait, secret tip time. You have a rhythm inside you right now, your heartbeat. Tap your chest gently and feel it. Tap your desk or your knee along with it. That's your built-in drum. Another fun idea: color feelings. Happy might feel bright. Calm might feel soft. Brave might feel bold. There's no wrong answer. You get to choose. Your art, your story. And how about a little pretend rehearsal? The stage lights flash. The crowd counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. Huntrix makes a heart with her hands. The Saja Boys spin, hop, and freeze. You won't believe it. The glow bug returns with tiny headphones and does a mini lion roar. Everyone laughs. The music wins again because kindness and rhythm save the day. Keep going with me. Your drawing is becoming a superstar. And keep drawing and coloring with me. The final image will surprise you. Quick number fun. If you do 4 8 counts, that's 32 beats. Wow. And even tiny steps make big shows. One step, then another, then another. That's how dancers learn. That's how artists learn too. One more life tip from Huntrix: when a problem feels big, make a little plan. Breathe to 4, count to 8, ask a friend for help. Try one small move. You can do it. Say it with me. I am brave, I am kind, I keep the beat.
Let's draw and learn. Let's draw and learn. Da 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 da
Wow, you did amazing! Today we drew Huntrix and the Saja Boys, and we learned 1. Teamwork makes big magic. 2. Rhythm breathing helps calm big feelings. And 3. Fun K-pop facts like 8 counts and the word Annyeong. And if you love smart stories and art, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video on Let's Draw and Learn. See you next time, friends. Bye!